want to get over to First Alert meteorologist Lauren Whitney with a check on our forecast. I know you're looking ahead to next week too, this weekend, which is going to be a little crazy.
Yes, but this week is going to be really nice. We had a cold week last week. This week we get kind of some payback to be nice, and then the weekend it drops out. So let's take a look at what's happening outside. What are we watching here in the First Alert Weather Center? We are cool and dry to start the work week, but we have a midweek warm up before our big chill. And then we have several days in a deep freeze with possible below zero temperatures expected in parts of Colorado. So let's take a look at what we're looking at. So again, we're dry and cool to start the week, and take a look at all this Arctic air that's going to start impacting the Midwest here very soon. And then we look at mild temperatures throughout the rest of the week. By Thursday, we're in the 50s around here. It's really going to be lovely, but then that Arctic air starts to sink on down towards us into the weekend. The Midwest is going to be brutal. We kind of get the fringes of that, and we're going to be quite frigid around here. But again, the Midwest is going to get the worst of this up into Montana as well. So we get really, really cold, and we are looking at below normal temperatures. So the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook as we head into the weekend, you can see we're kind of in that dark blue area. That means significantly cooler temperatures, well below normal. So it is going to get downright cold here. You're going to hear us talk about it all week long, because really this week is fairly mild until we start to get into Friday and into Saturday. So right now it's 34 in Denver, 37 in Boulder. We have the 30s and low 40s out east. High country teens, some single digits, 5 in Steamboat, 4 in Craig, 8 below though in Gunnison. And then tonight it's cold in our mountain areas. Almost everyone is sub-zero or will be in the low single digits. So 1 in Steamboat, 1 below in Vail, 4 below in Aspen, 15 here in Denver, 14 in Boulder. We have the low teens out on the eastern plains, and this afternoon 37 in Denver, so we're close to our high. 37 in Boulder, 35 in Fort Collins and Greeley, low 40s, upper 30s out east with the 20s in the mountains. And then across the Front Range today, 38 downtown in Denver, 37 in Brighton and Firestone, 36 in Aurora, and then once we get up towards Berthoud Pass in Georgetown, about 14 to 24 degrees. Jefferson County, we're looking at the mid 30s, 36 in Arvada and Wheat Ridge, 37 in Lakeside and Edgewater, but 28 in Evergreen and Indian Hills. Our satellite and radar is quiet, and taking a look at our temperatures for the next 12 hours, we do stay dry today. We should be in the upper 30s this afternoon. We get down into the teens very early tomorrow morning. And for our super 7-day forecast, again, we are warm this week. We're in the mid 40s. It's going to be nice on Tuesday and Wednesday, 50s on Thursday. We start to cool off on Friday, but that Arctic front moves in Friday night. So by Saturday, we're dropping down to 22 as our high. Chance for snow around here, 16 on Sunday. There's another little reinforcing blast of some cold air coming our way, and then into early next week we are still in the teens potentially on Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
All right, Lauren, thank you. You are